Maybe you will get some issue because of some issue in the packet tracer. Then you can save the configuration and reload, it will work. But now we don't have any issue, everything is working perfectly. You can see 50.12 is here. I think this PC is 50.12. We are pinging from this VLAN, this is different VLAN, and what IP I have for this computer here, I am pinging from 10.11 to 50.12 and it is working perfectly. So no problem. Now we have the connectivity. And also example, if you want to access this website, you can access also to 20.11. You can go here and you can first check you can ping or not. 192.168, what is that one? 20.12 or what is that IP? 20.11 or this one, let's see, 20.11 I have. So let me check. I need to ping 20.11 here. I put by mistake 20.12. It should be 20.11. So let me ping again 20.11 and let me verify that one. 20.11, okay, 20.11, and let's see here. It should work. We have the reachability, we have the routes. First packet will drop for ARP, address resolution protocol, so it is working. Now you can go to the browser and you can put the 20.11 and you can access this website whatever present in the head office. 192.168, 20.11, okay. See, you are able to access the website whatever you have here. If you want to modify these services, you can go here and you can edit here, and here you can change whatever name you want to give. Example, you will say like network for you, and here you will say this will be server, what is that one, 20.11 server, okay. Then click save, and then you can check again. You will do refresh. See here, whatever we change, it came here. This is the PC2. Which PC is this one? This PC. This PC is accessing the server. This is the head office. Server is present in the head office. Server is present in the head office, and your team is accessing from the branch office some servers, some services, and they can access. Okay. And also if you want anything changes, like you want to add the DNS, also you can add DNS, but still we did not do DNS. Let me try here, but here we need to change everything in the DNS. We need to send with DSCP, so we will see that later, no problem. When we do DNS topic, still we did not go to the DNS. So this project successfully completed. Just I will save the configuration whatever we modify. I think we modify only here, and I think anything in the notepad also I added. So I will upload this all, so you can just revise if you struck anywhere and do the same lab. This is simple only, not that much complex, but here you have the multi-area and redistribution we done here. You can play with the server, you can change the HTML file present here just now as I change here, and then you can modify and you can check. So sub interface, here we use sub interface, and also what we can do here, if you are using more switches, then you can configure ether channel between the switches also later. Example, if you have one more switch here and here, then you can connect two cable between the switch and configure the ether channel. Anyhow, this one is successfully done.